Hi, my name is Nini. I'm an artist from Malaysia. I am a maker and an artist at the same time. I usually like to paint on large canvases. I'm inspired by nature, vibrant colors, so that's usually my vibe. And I also like to explore different things, making things into like sculptures, like this rabbit, using different textiles. So let me introduce you to Trixie the Moon Rabbit. And Trixie the Moon Rabbit was created using purely t-shirts. So she started off with solid t-shirts that I had collected during COVID. I was teaching people how to weave the t-shirts and making t-shirt yarn out of it. So we have remnants of that, and it's based. So I'd like to think like different people, different energies. So Trixie's made from different kinds of energy. And as she gets up to here, she's created by just white t-shirt that I dyed, and I dyed them in different colors. And I weave them very randomly and spontaneously because I just wanted to play with her. And I think building Trixie was really a lot of fun because the spirit sort of came through to me. And I think that's kind of interesting as well because Trixie, being such a great companion, is a great reminder to all of us to continue being good to each other, to be a great friend to another person, to always be willing to stay connected, like the weaving, to remain and foster all these relationships. That's the message that I want people to look at when they see Trixie. Message of friendship, freedom, energy, creativity, and love.